Okay, as promised, here's an update on in the plastic gears. I put the stuff in putty, Play-Doh. At first, I left it in the container. It was taking too long to dry. I took it out of the container, and this is the biggest plastic gear I made, and it's like a rubber. It's not going to work that way. So it's back to the drawing board for the plastic gears. And these were supposed to be the plastic gears for the musical box, but they didn't even take. Here's another plastic gear that was the opposite side of the Tweety Bird, and it's a rubber. It's not going to work. So I put the aluminum shavings in. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. This one was almost there, but it's soft. It's a rubbery gear, and over time it will not work. This is the one I really needed, but back to the drawing board. I think this time around I'm not going to put it into the Play-Doh container and see if it dries faster and harder. Hope you all are enjoying this video, and God bless.